This is a much wider shot right now.
So Maddie, we're still at about 1.5 seconds, so you're doing good. Just kind of
And still moving your hand, so keep it like that for now. Thanks. Again, using our cable release. So we don't give the camera any undue vibration. Okay, so that sky is actually looking pretty bright right now. Need to adjust that exposure. A lot of the times I use my reverse ND grad here too when we got that really bright strip of mountains back there. Definitely looking pretty unnatural with that. I'll try this, overexposing a little bit more. You just gotta move quick in these cases. Okay, that's looking a little bit better to me right there. I'm gonna try it now with just a 2-stop hard ND, and I'm not gonna get such a heavy gradient in the top. A little bit better, you can see, and it looks quite a bit different. It's a different feel for sure. With the reverse ND grad, I'm able to kind of overexpose my image in the foreground and create some depth. Just the straight hard step, I don't have that effect quite as much. So it really just kind of depends on the image. Okay, I'm just kind of moving myself back a little bit so I can get a little bit more compression. Kind of feel like these reeds aren't really giving me the type of foreground I'd love. You want to make sure that it feels like you're putting this stuff in on purpose. Otherwise, it just doesn't look right. And right now, I'm not totally loving that. We're about to get sun, and I think I'm going to cruise into, actually real quick before we do that, I'm going to put a polarizer on. It's going to really give us a different image. It's going to take the glare off the river right here. You don't have too long before that sun hits the peaks, and once it goes quick. And what I've found while I'm shooting is I think I'd like to get a little bit tighter in and do a vertical. You know, it was some nice dawn glow there for a little bit. I'm fairly happy with those images. I don't think they're the 5-star I was hoping for, but what I'm doing right now is I know that when the light hits those peaks in the background, it's really going to be spectacular. I'm going to go ahead and throw the polarizer on.